Well, so we are at this place called Sodabottle Openerwallah, and I've been told, today is a Friday and Sunday is officially the last day that this cute place is open. So that's why I had come here when my son was 1 year old, and yeah, or maybe two, perhaps. So I thought I should come here again one last time before it. They are going to open it again, I think. So this is so unique. I find this so cute and unique. And right down to this thing, it's. I found it very funny, Dikri and Dikra, which would mean boy and girl. So this is so. Ooh, this is cute, and I'm so glad I'm here with my child.